Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see more of my videos. You can also follow me on Twitch, Instagram, and on Twitter, which I will put on the screen, and I will also put a link to them in the description below. And if you want to join my Discord server, I will put the link to it in the description as well. Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to play Genshin Impact on PC with your PlayStation 4 controller. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to connect your PlayStation 4 controller to your PC, and there are two ways of doing that. So one way is to just take the cable and plug one end here, and then just plug the other end to your PC and then press the home button, and it should be ready to use. Now I'm going to teach you how to do it wirelessly. Alright, so to connect it wirelessly, here's what you need to do. So go down here to the bottom left corner and type Bluetooth. You don't even have to type the whole thing. It can just show up like this, and click that. Make sure you turn it on over here. So if it's off, just turn it on. And then what you need to do is take your PlayStation 4 controller and press and hold the home button and the share button at the same time until it starts blinking. So now you can see that it's blinking. So what you need to do now is go to add Bluetooth or other device. Go to Bluetooth, and it's going to search for a device. And as you can see right here, it shows up wireless controller. So just press this and just click done. And that is it. So now it's connected. Alright, so when you're in the main menu, you have no choice but to use your mouse and keyboard because that's the default controls. So what you can do is just use your mouse and keyboard to sign in to your account and stuff. And then once you're in game, what you can do is press escape and then go to settings over here, and then go to controls, control type, and change it from keyboard to controller. And that's it. Now you can use your controller. So right now, as you can see, I'm using my controller to move around and stuff. So that's it. That's how you play Genshin Impact on PC with a PS4 controller. Alright, now if you want to disconnect your controller, what you need to do is go back to the Bluetooth and other devices settings, and then look for wireless controller. And as you can see, it says connected. So just click this and just remove device and click yes. And if you want to use your PS4 controller on your PS4 again, you need to connect it with the cable again. And that is it. That is all that you have to do. It's as easy as that. I also made a full tutorial on how to play PC games using your PlayStation 4 controller. It gets into more details and stuff, so if you want to check that out, I will put the link to it in the description below. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, make sure to give this video a like, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. If you want to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, they're going to be on the screen. And if you want to watch me play games on Twitch, it's going to be on the screen, and I will also link them in the description below. You can also join my Discord server if you want. I will put it in the description as well. So thank you guys so much again for watching. I will see you guys on the next video. Later.